Hey guys, this is Himanshu. I hope you guys are doing great. Uh, this is my very first video in 100 Days of Code series. Uh, I would like to introduce myself first. So as I said, my name is Himanshu, and I have been a full stack developer with for past 8 years, and I have been working on different technologies. I have worked on Mongo, I have worked on Python, I've worked on Ruby on Rails, I worked on Haskell. uh, I had this thing that I wanted to learn more about machine learning and deep learning. So in order to do that, I had a lot of plans made earlier, but plans are always planned. Sometimes they don't get executed. So that was the case with me. So I decided to go with 100 days of code, and it as I said, my plans are some sort of they are not continuous. So I got distracted, not because of my not because of something else, like you know laziness or anything. The thing is, I worked full time, so I got this lot of problems, a lot of workload, and due to that I was not able to work on my skill enhancement on deep learning and AI. So I thought to go through do this via video. So this might help you guys also to actually learn it together. We can learn it together. So what I did is I have started a series. Not actually started. I am about to start this series. So this series will be basically about starting with Python, then databases, and then Python beginner, Python intermediate, Python advanced. So I will try to cover all the levels of Python, learning how to learn. So what I will try to do here is try to make but think like we are beginners. We don't know anything. You don't know anything, and I don't know anything. So we will learn like beginners do. Like we will try to make it not just learn while you code. It's like I will give you some feedback with your code. I may do some like at times I might try to do some one-on-one coding with you guys, and some sort of Q&As at every section, or after we do every section, after we finish every section. I mean in a few days, maybe by Monday or by Tuesday, or before this weekend, before my second video comes up, I will share a whole strategy, whole curriculum with you guys, so you guys can schedule like the way you want to. And if you have any topics other than what I'm going to cover with it, you are always welcome to let me know, like, oh, hey Himanshu, cover this, this is something you want to do, this is something I want to do. I want to learn any advanced topic, any intermediate topics, and beginner topics that you think should be covered within the video. I will try my best to cover that. Along with that, I would like to know a few things, like what you think about my first video. This is the very first video, and I don't know, maybe we could try doing work on this video thing, but pretty much it. See, this is going to be a very extensive and very big series, so I will try to divide into chunks. There are tools that I use. That's what I want to talk about. I work on Mac, and the tool I use Notion to schedule my tasks, and for project management. and doing a lot of different things. Like I use Trello at times. I use Twitter. That is a way to connect with you guys. So what I want to do, you guys to do, is just follow me over Twitter and follow me on my channel. And if you have any questions, you can always email me. I try my best to answer all your emails, all your questions, and all your queries that you might have. And I will share a GitHub, a sort of. I will share my Notion workspace with you guys, so you guys can actually send me an email and ask and put your code over there and ask your questions over there. But I will try to keep it more limited, but yes, it will be there for you. And I will also introduce a Discord channel for you guys to actually let me know how talk to each other. You can talk to me also, but because of my work, it's basically week-to-week job, so I will be only available on weekend, but I will try my best to answer whenever I get some time to actually have a proper discussion with you guys. So that's it for my first video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Please do subscribe and let me know what you think about it. Okay, bye bye.